Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you yet another AI website which provides you free API keys, credits as well. So it's called as Straico.com. It has all the AI models, premium AI models such as including Qwen, Claude, Opus, Gemini, GPT. So the website name is Straico.com. If you directly type this on the browser and simply go to the website, the landing page will look something like this. You will see also have the video generation models as well, Runaway, Sora 2, Kling, Google View 3. It also has Anthropic Claude, Deepseek, Perplexity, OpenAI, Flux, Google Nano Banana, OpenAI. All these models are directly there, and a simple API is there. So you click on sign up to create a simple account right here. So there is an option given to you to directly log in with your Google account. So right here you can see these are of all the models which are there. So you can sign up using your Google account right here. Simply click on sign up with Google and directly choose your Google account. Click on continue. After that, once you are redirected to the dashboard area. So these are all the models which are supported right here. Almost 100 plus models are there. You can see that. So once you sign up, it will redirect you to the dashboard area. So now you can see that you can fill out these options. So it also offers a playground section as well, AI chatting platform. Once you sign up, you get these much of credits. You can see that almost 1,000 points credits you get to call the API. It's very easy. And right here, you go to the user settings option. And from here, you can create an API key, API settings, and click on create new API key. By default, it already creates an API key for you. So you can even reset this. If you click this API key updated. From here, you copy the API key to clipboard. It's very easy. And from here, you can call any kind of question right here. Let's suppose I simply send this request, and you will see that now it will call the actual AI models. It's responding. So it's using comparison Claude Sonnet and GPT 4.1. It's you doing the comparison right here. You will see that. So you can see that some coins were detected in making this request. So if you need to check out the API documentation, you click on documentation right here, and specifically it will tell you how to call this API. This will be the endpoint right here, https api.strico.com version 0 user, and from here you provide your API key, and this sends this JSON response to you directly. So you can see that step-by-step documentation is given to you, and you can directly run this in Postman as well. So this is the endpoint to get all the information related to all the models which are there. So it will directly return a list of all the models which are supported. So this is the prompt endpoint In order to make a simple prompt, you will send this request. So for chatting, for file, image generation, video generation, all the API documentation is given right here. This will be the endpoint. The curl request is given right. You will see that. So if you want to call this API through an extension, you can even do that as well. Simply install this extension, which is row code. I've already installed it. So now using this extension is quite easy. You go to the OpenAI compatible, select from API provider. And first of all, paste your API key. I've already pasted it, and the endpoint that it gives you. This is the endpoint. Simply paste the endpoint right here, and after that you select the model. There is another extension which you can do, Qwen. The same thing you need to repeat. Paste your API key, and you can call this API very easily. So various examples are also given. You can see this is for only curl. You can call this through Java, JavaScript, PHP, Node.js. So from here you can select the language, in which language you will be working on. So let's suppose I want to work through Python. So the example which is given, so I will simply copy this example and simply make a app.py file. I paste this example. So right here you simply will paste your this API key that you will get from the dashboard. So simply go to the dashboard, simply get your API key and simply paste it right here. So it's very easy. From here you paste this API key and run this example. So right here we are calling this a post request and we are printing the response. So you can see that you can call simply my API key is not correct, that's why it is creating problem. So it's very simple. You can see that it also has the playground section as well, where you can try all the models for completely free. Image generation, video generation, and through API as well. It has a fully fledged documentation which is given to you. You can simply see that in all the languages, so definitely check this out.